no, it go down yesterday, you know, I have to talk. You go and huff, you know. Tough man, that's why I think I'll go on the road. My road are down there. Renter and this one counter bigger. Bigger.
You want the thicker?
No, that's something else.
The whole?
No, man. I did from behind. I see what I got. Long time this not a good. Not bad enough for over here, bro.
What is doing to the wall? Lay your hand and keep that side. Oh shit, man. Then go far and go in our store. Right there. You don't want the pizza?
No, bigger mood I want, not pickaxe. Pickaxe are much stuff.
Or you want the back hole?
No man, bigger one straight something. Use on. Maybe you never see it. Sign this. So sign, I'm leaving my shit.
What is that? Oh,
Yeah. Stop on, I don't want to block.
you can use a cut in it already.
Eh?
You're gonna find there's a cut in it.
You cut it?
Accidentally, that's how I did it. Alright, that's so. Everything of that dust. We have it.
This one?
See
these thorns ever when he run and gallop and he get in the forest.
That block, you know. That block.
Don't break it.
It's a block.
Has he gone down or gonna cross?
It's a block. But come like a little bit tight down there. I told him block so easy.
Just try and get the rest out.
Then better mother take off this so I can dig, see if it dig. See? I don't block it, block.
Oh, yes, it does.
Rotten.
What size is it? As you can see.
Hold the camera so I can show it. Rotten. Down at the bottom. It couldn't grow no further, you realize? It couldn't grow no further.
That's
What a
massive.
whole heap of yam.
That's massive. Chop the rotten bit off. Let's see.
Cut off a piece of foot, huh? Renter. So tough. Good, you know? Renter. Don't so good. Not no it. See?
Yeah,
You couldn't
but you
go no
need
further.
to chop off that.
No, it's not chop off.
Look at the size
It's
of
not.
it.
It's good. I peel it, peel and wash off. Wash off.
You have to scrub that clean.
You know. It's good.
Is it again?
Yeah.
It is? Dig in it?
Get it out or something.